Hi, this is Anastasia and I'm gonna show you this house today, which is for sale for $35,000. So let's just go in and see. It's really strange entrance. So I don't know if you can see my hand. I'm touching the ceiling. And this is unit right there. Right here, it's kind of a living room. And it has washer and dryer and bathroom right here. This is only bathroom and toilet, and it's a little moldy. This is all electrical right here. And let's go upstairs to see the unit. Okay, this is kitchen. I don't know what to do with this piece of unpainted. That's how kitchen looks. It was an old kitchen they just painted, but it's all clean. Don't know if you can see the floor, it's not straight, but they put tile here. And this is one bedroom, which has a balcony overlooking the neighborhood. And this is second bedroom. All done, ready to move in. And this is a toilet. It's really tiny. Like, I don't know. That's it. And small sink. And from what I believe, we have an attic here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fit here, even though I lost some weight. But let's see what's going on. Okay. This is an attic. That's how it looks. Really hot here. I'm not sure if you can get another bedroom out of there. Probably not. And it's really steep stairs. I don't think it is a basement here, but it has small backyard. And you can go from there. So let me know what you think. Do you like it?